Okay, guys, this is the continuation of the modular robot pack design or modeling. So, as you can see, I just made the extension part here. So this is a hand extension, as you can see. This is one part. So by the way, these are like symmetrical designs. So there should be like two, like the leg part. So it's like this should be identical, or it can be not identical. No problem. You can switch between the robots, but the joining part, as you can see here, this joining part and this joining part, it's almost the almost the same for the snapping part. And as you can see here also, from the back side, I mean this one according to the design of the head part actually. So it should be similar, kind of similar. I did like this one, okay. And this section, a little bit of change of every robot, as you can see. So actually maintaining the same principle, as you can see, this one also the same part, but the joining, the hand joining is almost the identical actually. So it's like some are actually this one, as you can see, this one I produced the inset one. So some are inset, some are beveled out. As you can see, this part is bevel out part, and this one is inset part. As you can see, this one is inset in the metallic body of the robot. So it will create a very good light and shadow effect on the body of the robot actually. So as you can see, these are kind of details you can produce. So it's like this, especially this part. The ambient occlusion will be so good to present this part actually. So this, and also this, and this, okay. Some of this top part, okay. And finally this. So every like the other part actually, every a robot has the some sort of different kind of design. And the hand extension, it's not just like it not just like the same. I don't put the same design again and again, because you can see this one is looking pretty simple, right? So the detail is just like this. So I took the same part actually, some of the same part, like this one has the resemble of this one. So I just did some minor changes, and then make a new one actually. So that is how, that is the principle I maintain in all of the robot parts actually. So from the backside also detailing, as you can see, this part is like this one is like this, okay. The hand extension, this one is like this. Mm, this one is some sort of inset part, like this, okay. This create a very good illusion to have the that kind of detail, okay. This part is like this, okay. Especially this part is quite detailed actually. And this one is also this one is completely plain. I keep it like that, I mean. So this one also, and this one also, you see this one, but I detail this part. So it's like this is the idea of creating multiple design. Actually, you have to think differently, but not just copy and paste everything. It's not copy and paste every. You can copy and paste the elements, but every detail, every robot is different. So why is this extension? Okay, why is this extension? This extension actually, for you can see this extension, by adding this extension, if you remove this extension, let's say this extension is gone. So like see how empty, and from here it should be the hand part. So there should be some extension part here. It's like from my extent, I understand that the hand part should be have some extension. So that's why, and you see from the front side, the from adding the extension, the robot is looking quite complete. Actually, it's, as you can call it, like uh, hand joint extension part, or whatever you can call. And also there is another thought that this robot is a combat robot, right? So it's like a combat unit. So it's like some sort of weapon system must be attached here. So it's like where should be the weapon? Okay, where should be the weapon? So all the weapons should be in the hand part and this part. So it's like holding the weapon. And also another thing is like let's say this one of the robot, let's say this robot. Okay, so I have to put some sort of weapon base here, and it's like it should be the robot should be able to fire the weapon in terms of air defense and also the ground defense. So like his air defense, he should route it like this way. So like firing a approaching fighter plane. So it's like rotate like this way, and fire in upwards, like fire in the sky. So it's like his anti-aircraft AA defense mechanism. So it's not rotating like this way. So the functionality is like rotating in this way, and also the ground way. So it's like this is a weapon box, this is a weapon system, and this is the machine of the weapon system. The robot can use either approaching vehicle from the ground, and also in the sky. So it's actually giving the full movement of the robot to he can actually rotate like this way, and also he can rotate like this way. I mean this way to to destroy the threats, or destroy the targets from the sky. So it's like he cannot move his head like this way. It's not possible, but he can rotate this one. Okay, because the head is very gigantic. All the robots, I mean the head part is very gigantic. Although he can also like this way. When he or this robot is able to move his leg on the upper part, then he can, maybe in some extent he can, like this way, 30 degree or 40-degree angle. But the main air defense should be this one. So should be this one. So it's like their weapon system should be adjusted here. So it's like he got two weapon system, as you can see from this angle. From this angle, as you can see, every robot got the the weapon system. I mean the hand extension part. So it's like this one, this one, this one. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, yeah. So from the zoom out view, as you can see, the now the robots is looking like full complete, actually full complete version. It's almost becoming the complete version of the full robot. Now is only remaining part is the hand extension, I mean the hand part, and the weapon system. Okay, so a hand part and the weapon system. So the hand extension part, so it's either it will start from here, or I'm thinking like from here to this place somewhere else. So the idea of this extension is to give him a complete air defense system. So it's like no AA gun is needed for this one. So it's like obviously it's can able to fire in the ground target, and also the air targets as well. Okay, so I hope from the distance it's looking like it's being ready for the combat, and from my perspective as a designer, I feel so delighted. I mean, I feel so complete that this project is becoming end. It's a very long project, actually. I'm working, but it's gradually, step by step, it's becoming end. So what I did, and I am completing one item at a time. I mean, like for the hand extension, I just focusing on all the hand extension part, nothing else, because I have to produce 10 robots, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have to produce 10 hand extension. Then I have to produce 10 heads. I have to produce 10 hip joints. So something like that, actually. So I think that is all, and you get the idea that how I am proceeding in this project, and this is becoming one of the longest project that I'm working, and also I am happy to share. And please share this one to your 3D lovers friends, and also you can communicate with me. I'm giving this information in every video. So if you want to know anything more about this one, don't hesitate to comment. Don't hesitate to, or you can approach me with the Facebook page Opuart, and the YouTube channel, of course. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.